Looking for a powerful live streaming tool? In this video, we'll show you how to use Wirecast, one of the most advanced software solutions for professional live broadcasting. Wirecast is perfect for streaming to platforms like YouTube, Facebook Live, Twitch, and more. It supports multiple cameras, audio sources, screen sharing, graphics, and live switching, all in real time. To get started, download Wirecast from the official Telestream website and install it on your computer. Once opened, you can add video sources like webcams, DSLR cameras, or NDI feeds. You can also add audio inputs, overlays, logos, and live text. Next, configure your stream settings. Choose your platform, enter your stream key, and set your resolution and bitrate. Wirecast supports both hardware and software encoding for high-quality output. When you're ready, just hit stream and go live to your audience. You can also record your broadcast for later use. Wirecast is a great tool for churches, webinars, events, gaming, or any professional level live stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful.